Now for each KPI, otherwise the function not applicable. Okay, this one has to be this one. Okay, and this one has also to be the same. Okay, not applicable. Then I'm going to do this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here we are. Okay, for the bed, we are going to show this. So I'm going to do the opposite. Okay, like this. This one is equal to the average of the KPI 1, which is okay, it is absolute, so that if I'm going to drag this, I get the same. Okay, then if I'm going to copy this, I'm going to change from average to mean. Okay, then I get the mean, and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to max. Okay, so this is KPI. This is equal to this, and I'm going to center this like this. Okay, I'm gonna just put border around. Okay, and doing the same for the other KPIs. Now you know how to do, and we will see in the next video why we need this.